Comprehensive 200-watt solar panels kit comparison. Solar panels have emerged as a cornerstone of sustainable energy solutions, particularly for off-grid applications such as RVs, camping, and backup power. With a growing demand for portable and reliable solar kits, consumers are increasingly seeking products that balance efficiency, durability, and affordability. For this review, we tested 5 200-watt solar panel kits, focusing on their features. List number. The Ecoorthy solar panel kit is a premium offering that delivers high efficiency and durability. With a daily output of up to 800 watts under optimal sunlight conditions, it is ideal for RVs, campers, and off-grid setups. The corrosion-resistant aluminum frame and IP65 rated junction box enhance its longevity, while the pre-drilled holes simplify installation. The kit includes 2 100-watt panels, a 30A PWM charge controller, and all necessary mounting and connection hardware, making it a complete solution for off-grid power needs. Performance-wise, Ecoorthy excels in efficiency, boasting a 21.5% conversion rate thanks to its monocrystalline cells. The robust design ensures reliability in extreme weather, withstanding winds up to 2,400 POW and snow loads up to 5,400 POW. However, its heavier weight, 32 pounds, makes it less portable compared to foldable options. Users appreciate the comprehensive kit and 24/7 tech support, though the higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. List number. The Renogy solar panel kit offers a versatile and portable solution for off-grid power needs. Its foldable design and adjustable kickstand make it ideal for camping and RV use. The included 20A waterproof charge controller ensures compatibility with various power stations and batteries. While the brand is not explicitly listed, Renogy is known for delivering reliable solar products. The panel is lightweight and easy to transport, making it suitable for outdoor enthusiasts. In terms of performance, the Renogy kit is efficient and user-friendly, though specific conversion efficiency details are unavailable. The adjustable kickstand allows optimal sunlight absorption, but the lack of detailed specifications and pricing may leave potential buyers uncertain. Users praise its portability and ease of use, but note that the absence of additional mounting hardware limits its versatility for permanent installations. List number. The Baldr solar panel kit is the budget-friendly option in this lineup, priced at $169.99. Featuring monocrystalline cells, it offers reliable performance for camping and off-grid living. Its folding design enhances portability, making it a great choice for outdoor enthusiasts. The kit is compatible with solar generators and portable power stations, ensuring versatility across various use cases. While Baldr delivers solid performance for its price, it lacks advanced features such as a high-efficiency controller or premium-grade materials. Its lightweight design is convenient, but the absence of detailed technical specifications and mounting hardware may limit its appeal for more demanding applications. Users appreciate its affordability and ease of use, though some report concerns about long-term durability. List number. The PPQ solar panel kit stands out with its impressive 24% conversion efficiency and sleek briefcase design. Engineered with a 7-layer structure, including military-grade ETFE lamination, it ensures durability and high sunlight transmission. The kit includes 4 cables and 16 output options, making it compatible with a wide range of devices and batteries. Additionally, PPQ supports veterans by donating a portion of its profits to charity. Performance-wise, the PPQ kit excels in efficiency and versatility. Though its heavier weight, 14.7 pounds, may deter users seeking ultra-portability. The included cables and adapters simplify connectivity, while the IP67 waterproof rating ensures reliability in adverse weather conditions. However, its bulkier design and higher price relative to similar products may be drawbacks for some users. List number. The Nanwin solar kit combines high efficiency, 23.5%, with ultra portability, making it ideal for van life and camping. Its lightweight design, 20.2 pounds, and foldable structure ensure easy transport. while the IP68 waterproof rating provides durability in extreme weather. The kit includes a 20A PWM controller, multiple cables, and a protective case, offering a comprehensive solution for off-grid power needs. Nanwin Solar performs well in outdoor scenarios, delivering fast charging for RV batteries and power stations. The adjustable kickstands optimize sunlight absorption, while the rugged tempered glass and aluminum frame ensure reliability during transport. However, its higher price, $184.99, and limited user reviews may raise concerns for first-time buyers. Users appreciate its lightweight design and advanced features, but note that the PWM controller is not waterproof.